Good day, everyone. Welcome to our English class. Today, we are going to talk about suffixes. And for our starter activity, underline the root words, circle the suffixes from the following words. We have here words from 1 to 10. Identify and underline the root words and circle the suffix. Pause the video and do the activity. Now, time is up. Okay, let's reveal the answers. So we have here number 1, the root word is poison, suffix ous. Number 2, danger, suffix ous. Number 3, teach, suffix er. Number 4, mountain, suffix ous. Number 5, garden, suffix er. Number 6, begin, suffix er. And we have additional n. We will know about the rules on that later. 7, joy, suffix ous. Number 8, luxury. Change the y to I to make it as the root word. But when you add a suffix, it changed to I, then ous. Number 9, limited. The root word is limit, suffix is ed. And number 10, humor, and the suffix is ous. Did you get all the correct answers? Good. If not, stay tuned for this topic. Our learning objective is to spell words that ends with suffix ous, suffix beginning with vowels er, ed, ing, and en, and suffix ation or Asian. What is a suffix? So, a suffix is a group of letters used at the end of the root word to turn it into another word. Last time, we learned about prefix. That is found at the beginning of the word. This time, it's about suffix, which found at the end of the word. Example, garden plus suffix er, it becomes gardener. Shine plus suffix ing, it becomes shining. A suffix is added to the end of a root word, which is either a whole word or part of the word to form a new word. Another examples, multiply plus ing, it becomes multiplying. Happy plus a suffix iest. Okay, we remove the y, we add iest, it becomes happiest. Now here are the rules to follow. When you are using the suffix ous, if the word ends in e, you have to drop the e and add ous. For example, the word fame. Drop the e and add ous to make famous. With exemption when the word ends with ge. The e should be kept as it is and add ous. For example, courage. It ends with ge. Add only ous to make courageous. If the word ends in consonant and y, change it to I and add ous. Like the word vary, drop the y, change it to I and add ous. When the word ends with a vowel and y, keep the y and add ous, like the word joy. Okay, o is a vowel and y, so keep the y and add ous, like joyous. If none of the other rules apply, we just add ous unto the ending. Example, danger. We add ous, it became dangerous. Here's another rules for the vowel sounds. But before that, let's see the examples for the word that has ous suffixes. Okay, now let's have the rules for the suffix ation or ation. Adding the suffix ation or ation turns a verb into a noun. Inform becomes information. Inform is a verb, then it becomes information as a noun. Words with ate or ate at the end turn into ation, like educate with ate becomes education. If the word ends with NE, VE, or RE, okay, a consonant with E, drop the E, then add Asian. Like the word prepare, drop the E, add Asian becomes preparation. Allocate, drop the E, add Asian. Same with animate, celebrate, create, decorate, dedicate, deflate, and dictate. Just remove the E and add Asian. But if the word, like for example, admire, that ends with E, drop the E again and add Asian. Okay, so that's the suffix Asian. And we have rules for the suffix that begins with the vowels like ed, ing, and er. So root word farm plus suffix ed, it becomes farmed. So a group of letters that you can add to end of the root word. A root word is the simplest form of the word, to example, a farm. Suffixes that with vowels are things like ed, ing, and er. So this is just very self-explanatory. Just simply add these to a word to form another word. When you add the suffix starting with a vowel to a word or more than one syllable that ends in a vowel and a consonant, for example, forget, the spelling rule depends on whether the last syllable is stressed or not. If the last syllable is stressed, said more loudly or strongly, you double the final consonant. For example, if the word forget, the last syllable get is stressed. So when we add the suffix ing, we double the T at the end of forget. So it becomes forgetting. Here are some examples, like the word begin. N is a consonant stress. We add another N, we double the N and ER, so it becomes beginner. Preferred with consonant R at the end, we repeat it or we double the R and add ED. So these are the rules for vowel sounds. If the last syllable is not stressed, okay, said more loudly or strongly, you do not double the final consonant. For example, if the word garden, the stress is at the beginning, garden, the last syllable then is not stressed, so we add the suffix ing. We do not double the n at the end of the garden. Gardening is the answer. Another example is limit. So we stress on the first syllable. The mit is not being stressed, so we add only ed or er or ing to it. Example, limited. Now, box the word with suffixes on these sentences. Pause the video and do the activity. Now time is up. Here are the answers. For number 1, we have planted. Number 2, painter. Number 3, dangerous. 4, famous. 5, roller from the root word roll. Coaster from the root word coast. And sensation from the root word sense. We drop the E and add Asian. Number 6, decoration. 7, watching. And 8, baked. Maybe some of you answered delicious. That is wrong because we don't have root words such as delicacy or deli. So that is wrong. Delicious itself is already a root word. Same as also with brother. Okay? You think er is a suffix, but it's not because brother is already a root word itself. We don't have broth as a root word, so it doesn't have any meaning at all. Activity 2, fill the gap with suitable words given below. So here are the words here. I want you to put them in the gap to complete the sentence. Pause the video and just write your answers. Time is up. Here are the answers. For number 1, the cave was dark and it was dangerous. 2. This mushroom can be poisonous. 3. The museum had lots of information. 4th, I saw you on YouTube. You are famous now. 5th, why do you look so nervous? 6th, the school play needed a lot of preparation. And 7, she looked glamorous in her new dress. You got all the correct answer? Well done. And finally, we have your activity 3. I want you to add suffix to the word listed here for letter A with the suffix Asian or ATION. And for letter B, you may add any of the suffix that begins with vowels like ER, ED, or ING. Time is up. Let's reveal the answers. So we have confirmation. Just add Asian. Inspire. Remove the E and add Asian. Admire. Drop the E again and add Asian. Observe. Drop the E, add Asian, becomes observation. And here it depends if you answer different. So you could have walking, walker, or walked with ed. Now, this is very complicated. Begin, the second syllable is on the stress, so we repeat the last letter and we add the suffix. So it becomes beginner, or you can have beginning. And listen. The stress is on the first syllable, so you don't need to repeat. You can just add ER, listener, or ING, listening, or listened with ED. That's all for now. I hope you have learned something new today. Always enjoy learning, and remember, be the best you can. Till next time, bye.